My name is Ethan.
My name is Faya. And my name is Dean.
And we're the Battleship Crushers.
The Battleship Crushers, nice. All right, so I see you guys have a pretty cool Lost Realm here. Let's start with over here. What is this?
That is a junkyard house.
The Junkyard House, nice. And what is in the Junkyard House?
Iron Man suit.
Iron Man's suit is hidden inside there?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. All right, let's go over here. Ooh, what is this?
Cardboard City.
Cardboard City. Is there anything hidden inside Cardboard City?
Cardboard video games.
Cardboard video games. Wow, nice. And what do we have over here?
Basically, this is the mech and the trading dragon.
The mech and the trading dragon. And what is hidden inside them?
Basically, the dragon has gold inside it, and the mech just has a ghost inside it.
Wow, there's a ghost inside there? Oh, I see. Nice. All right, well, let me get off the field here. I would like to see your guys' robot run. Oh, you guys ready?
Yep.
All right, go ahead, show me your robot. Oh, who's gonna press the top button? I need one of you. Okay, Wyatt. Okay, now Ethan, do you want to press? Nice. Dean, do you want to press the button now?
Yep.
Okay, and Wyatt, do you want to do the last press?
Hey, I could use some of this stuff in this junk pile. Wow, those people must be in Cardboard City. Wait, why is there a dragon? This is just weird now.
That's the funniest.
Well done.